What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video we're doing another swing video, but I'm actually talking in this one because all the sound fonts I have downloaded on this Saber right now are free. I didn't even download all of them. I forgot to download one of them. So there's 13 free sound fonts that you can download from Grayscale. I kind of just skipped a few steps there, but what I'm saying is these are really good sound fonts, and they're free, and you can download them for free, and you can get them for CFX or Profi, and there's 13 of them. However, I only have 12 on this because I forgot to download one. I don't know why I skipped like a ton of stuff that I should have said first to provide more context, but whatever. These you can get from Grayscale. I've only seen a couple of them because I saw Stony Magnum make a video on them, and after like the third one, I think I was like, okay, I want to see the rest of these for myself because they sound like really good. I don't know if it was the third one. I could have like seen like half of them without even realizing, but I remember one of them had like really cool clicking sounds. So the first one is called Analog. Okay, the boot sound on these are like really cool. This might have been the clicky one I was talking about. Because listen to that ignition. Wait. Listen to the ignition. Ooh. Oh, you hear that click? Listen. I almost just passed up from that. It was just such a good sound. I'm about to become deceased from these sounds, man. Jeez, listen to that. Listen to like the clicking. Does this have a tip drag on it? It doesn't. This next one is called Assassin. Sounds like something an assassin would use like 1,000 years from now. Whew. However, I would think an assassin would use a red lightsaber. Because, you know, assassins are usually bad people, but I don't know. Next up is Zuko.
Hello, Zuko here.
This is inspired by Avatar: The Last Airbender, aka my favorite cartoon ever. So obviously it's going to be fire because, for those who don't know, Zuko is a firebender in the Avatar universe. That lock-up effect is pretty nice, although this is just the default stuff that Sabertrio comes with. So Grayscale didn't actually make that lock-up effect, but I kind of forget how much I like the stock flame effect. Even though I like my version of it better than one that I made, this one's still pretty good. Because it actually looks like fire, like when you string it side to side. Like that looks like fire on the screen. Next one is called Coda. These sounds are just unmatchable. I wonder what his paid ones sound like, because these are free. And Grayscale has paid ones that you can get. Oh, that was a good sound. Let's see if we can get it again. Nope. That was kind of similar. Oh, that was a good one. This one's kind of silent though. Hold on, what was that little sound at the end of that?
Crispity.
This one's called Crispity. Oh my! I'm gonna need a replay on that. Are you guys hearing this? Oh my god! That is just... That is just so good. That's a little mid, I'm not gonna lie. Those clash effects are a little mid, but whatever, still pretty good. Actually, I wouldn't say they're mid, I'd say they're decent. This one's called Deadlink. Ooh. This is a pretty good one. That was a pretty good one. I gotta get through these quick because I don't know how much storage I have on my phone, and somehow I'm almost at 10 minutes already. This next one's called Gray.
Decay.
Oh no. Oh no, it's called Decay, sorry. What is... Okay, that was really cool, but like, why did that take so long? I thought the blade was... I thought it was gonna ignite like at least like 4 times when I was hearing that ignition sound. Ooh. I think this one should be called Memory. I don't know why, but it just reminds me of memories. Like in a movie when it shows someone's having like a vision or like a flashback or a memory, like listen to like the shoo sounds. That's what that sound effect sounds like. Like that right there. That sounds like a flashback or something. Interesting how they went with like the sea green on this one, as opposed to just a regular green.
Sound bank selection.
Now this next one's called Gray. That was a pretty good one. That was a pretty good one. Not the best one, but this next one's called
Sound
Engine
Bank
Grip.
Selection.
Oh my gosh, it sounds like a futuristic engine or something. These are some of the best sound fonts I've ever heard, and these are literally like free. You can get these for free right now. I'm going to leave a link in the description to the download page for all of them. The one that I didn't download is called Raw. So I really hope it's not like a super good one because then I missed out on it. That is just so good. Woo! That was a pretty good one. This next one's called Magnetic.
Sound Bank Selection.
Huh. This is a pretty good one. Well, listen to its idle noise. I feel like one of the things making these sound so good is not only the fact that like Grayscale just did an incredible job with this, but also the Sabertrio speakers are like really, really good. The Sabertrio, the speakers that they put in Sabertrio Sabers are like top-notch speakers. It's nuts. Like if you get other Sabers, like other neosabers, their speakers are not nearly as good as the ones Sabertrio has. They're still good, but like not nearly as good as the ones that Sabertrio has. This next one is called Noble.
Sound Bank Selection.
I'm gonna make a prediction that Noble is a green saber. That was not the saber, that was the battery. I don't know why, or that was not the sound font, that was the battery on the saber. I don't know why that happened, but it's green. Look at that green color. It's a pretty good one. It's a pretty simple one, but it's very nice. That was a pretty good one. Last one
Sound Bank Selection.
is called Seath. I think it's called Seath. S-E-E-T-H-E. I'm going with Seath on this one, or Seath. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's Seath in my eyes. Sorry, I'm gonna have to Darth Maul this one, guys. Sorry, I'm gonna have to Darth Maul again. It was just too cool. And that is it for the video, guys. Wow. All these sound fonts were obviously incredible, and I cannot believe that they're free. I'm going to have to do some tweaking on my main config, because I need these sound fonts in there, like, now. I'm probably going to put only like a couple, not a couple, I'm probably going to put like a few in there, maybe like 5 or 6. I'll take some out of my regular config, and then I'll make another video about where my current config is at, because those videos seem to do pretty well. You know, whenever I just show off changes made to my main config, because I edit literally everything in my main config. I edit the colors, I edit like the config itself. I go on Rice and I make like changes and stuff to the lockup effects, the blaster effects, the ignitions on certain profiles, on a certain sound fonts. So yeah, I will be doing those with these sound fonts. So yeah, stay tuned for that. By the way, I ordered a Sabertrio and it's coming soon. So yeah, thought I'd just drop that right here for anyone who watched up until now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.